Lift the foot then. Alright, take it off. Just hold that side for me.
You don't want help?
No, man, I want to hear Miss B. Miss B, I have to learn to help myself, you know.
That's good to know. You're active. I like that.
Yeah, me there, get down right, you know, you see it. I have to learn to help myself, I can't. If it was an extent, even though Tony and them give me a strength, I have to still do. What me have to do?
You want to go outside?
Yeah, man, the play and see feel like play something and want some breeze. So, Miss B, I know you not tell me you deal with differently still, you know, because a long time I don't see what you bring back, you know, you bring back Irish Spring soap. You fly what do you know, you rich out, switch up, you know.
Boy, quick. I'm glad you help yourself in the car, watch ya. Ha, me a build muscle too. Quick.
What go on?
Someone is here to visit you.
Someone, who that, nursing?
No? Prinny.
I'm sorry, love. I let you down.
Whoa. What kind of whisper in me are going around and stuff?
Nothing, man. That's something she said she have to do for you.
Yeah.
Come on, let we go.
Yeah.
Nobody around.
Let's
Yeah.
go.
Just keep on fighting through all of your.
When I say you're from London?
Gonna be worth.
I want to say, what do you show me, you know? I know what a bar is, and I tell me, say, man, send me back to my country. About the business.
Of course.
Oh, cook out. Go to church. The cook them now work like outside.
You have joke.
And you know, we can't drink, so bad boy cranberry have to go on.
Set, you there too? You good?
Yeah, man.
Prinny, you look so tired.
Tired. But I stood there all day. Really tired.
See the little bumper show?
Sheldon is something.
So you really go studio? Studio where a bag of man there.
We are talking about man for Sheldon. I want to work, you know. I know I like one bag of clothes already.
You know, I don't understand you though. You say you work on EP, and look on them way that we had. You go to studio every day and every night. And you're pregnant too. Where are you with my girl? Where really are you with?
Julian, hold this to me now. Better?
You say you take man for that, you know. You come and dress up your son now. I still there if you have on that. But you work on EP. Must Eric Patterson.
Sheldon, obviously you don't understand. Baby mother and hormones. Me don't want to close proper body first thing first. I'm gonna come straight from the studio. I'm really tired. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna come here to see. I'm really not come with an argument. I want an argument.
You don't want an argument. But you come here half naked. Like the argument you look with me.
Guys, Sheldon, it's just easy.
She know me go complain about it, Miss Bissett. She know me not like them style.
Listen. Just relax.
Mash up the energy.
I know mash up, not energy, Sheldon.
Miss Bissell, leave me make him talk. Okay, look like the man ate me. Like I ate him. Can't do nothing again.
That with you, you know. That with you. Anytime nobody say nothing to you, I'll be a victim you play. Your tears them the near me.
Sheldon, don't know.
So Sheldon, It's okay for me to spin around and go home, go lay down. Come and never come for this at all. I feel good.
Quick. May you need for have a heart-to-heart reason. Pretty, come here.
If it eases some time in a cause.
Tony, let me ask you something. If you did pregnant, you'd have dressed some type of way then?
Quick, me different. I'm conservative. That's so me stay.
But that don't say nothing. That don't say nothing. If she normally dressed that way then, and she pregnant now, make a change, man. People change sometimes, certain circumstances.
Stay, Sheldon, if you just understand that.
So me if you
Lady said
understand
she don't like no clothes.
it. If me not like it, she not fit. Understand, so me not like it. Where she a weird Roman, where she never stop her yard and change half them. It's an argument. She come along. Mash her, try mash up my energy. That me see.
If you go get her for change, you can't talk to her them way, bro. Especially in front of people.
What kind of people you talk about? Everybody has to come like family, you know. Come to your team, man.
It no matter. It no matter quick. Remember, say she pregnant. Her hormones in my rage.
Tony, what kind of rage you tell man about? Say a wheelchair me there so sit down, you know. But me never want to you know. My brain a rage too. That me I tell you.
Let me tell you something. Stop being so arrogant. Prini is a good woman here. And if you continue to treat her so, you're going to push her away.
Mr. Reset, I'm not even know if I can carry the baby under this condition or in this situation. I'm uncomfortable. I'm not sure if you want me or the baby. I don't know if I do not right or wrong. Everything we do is a problem.
Prini, don't say that. You only are saying something because you're upset now.
I'm not angry. I'm not talk out of anger. I'm going to think I have to maybe make a choice. It depends on me right now to make a choice. If I'm going to carry this baby, I can't run Sheldon, or Sheldon can't run me until him get better.
You understand what Sheldon I go through?
More than anybody else must be set. But I don't think you understand what me I go through. I don't never throw me the second on wheelchair make him treat me like this. My hormones are all over the place. I don't have Sheldon to rub them with back now. Sheldon have a phone. He don't even call me. But I still pull up as if he's more important than me. And I don't think he is. Because 2 away I won.